All right, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to run Grammarly with Microsoft Outlook on an iMac or on a Mac or an iOS, whether you have a MacBook Air, a MacBook, or an iMac. So the first thing you want to do is come over here. Let me just back out here. You want to go to Grammarly for Mac. So once you download this, I'm just going to install this now. And install on Grammarly, double click on the icon here. We're going to open this. A new version of Grammarly is already running. Okay, that's perfect. And now we want to grant access. Okay, desktop access. And we're going to look for Grammarly and Grammarly desktop. And there you go. So we're going to put in our password. Okay, now you want to sign into your existing account. And now you want to open up Grammarly desktop. We're going to skip all this information here. And now we're all set. So we're going to try this in Word. Okay, so Word or Microsoft Outlook, the first thing you want to do is just try this in Word. So now that we have an article here, I'm just going to type in something here, testing 1, 2, 3, how are you doing? Okay, now you can see that we actually have it installed here. So I'm just going to click on this little icon to open up the assistant, and we can see, I would like to improve it, and I want to insert that. So now let's go back to Outlook. I'm just going to restart Outlook. I'm going to close it and reopen it. And now that I have Outlook open here, you can see I'm just going to write test 1, 2, 3, and then I can highlight all. And I just want to see if Grammarly opens up here. And there you go. So as you can see, as I highlighted all, I just did a Control A, and now you can actually see the Grammarly icon, the open the assistant. So the first thing you want to do, don't be worried if you don't see the Grammarly icon pop up here. Just start writing something here, and then as you're writing, do a Control A, and that's going to highlight everything, and you can see the assistant open. So that's how you get Grammarly to work with Microsoft Outlook. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and I'll see you in the next one.